How to make mosaic tile pumpkins. But what is a mosaic? A mosaic is a piece of art or an image made from assembling small pieces of colored glass, stone, or other materials. Just like this dolphin was made with lots of teeny little square tiles. It's often used as decorative art or interior decorations. And you can make really awesome stuff like this. What? Alright, our first step is we have 2 pieces of paper. 1, 2. On the back of our paper, as always, we are going to write your name and your teacher's name on both papers. How many papers? Both papers! Flip them over. On your first paper, here's what you're going to do. You're going to draw squiggly lines using warm colors with oil pastels. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Whee! Warm colors are red, orange, yellow, brown, and pink. We're going to fill up the whole paper. Then we're going to take our tempera cakes and we're going to paint on top of the lines with also warm colors. So I'm using red, yellow, and orange because those are the types of colors that we are going to use to make a pumpkin. You want to make sure it's really nice and watery. Cover the whole paper. Done! You're going to set this painting aside to start your second painting. On your second painting, you're going to paint with tempera paint the whole thing, red, yellow, or orange. I'm so fast. Then we're going to take this really fun bubble wrap and we're going to paint yellow acrylic paint on top of our bubble wrap. You want to cover the whole square. And then you're going to press the bubble wrap onto your painting, but not so hard that you pop the bubble wrap. Nice and smooshy. Carefully lift it off and it reveals a really cool pattern. Now you're going to repeat this until the whole painting is covered with this really cool honeycomb pattern. Smushy fun time. Peel it off. One more time. Nice. Whoop. Now we're going to put both of our paintings onto the drying rack. The first thing we're going to do today is we're going to cut out our pumpkin along the white line. Be very careful not to cut off your stem. Write your name and your teacher's name on the back of your pumpkin. Awesome job, and flip it over. Now you're going to cut your painted paper into strips. Snip, 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 snippity snip, snip, snip. Snip, 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 snip. Almost done. Hooray! Now you're going to cut little triangles from the strips of paper. Your triangles can be very big or very small. It just depends on what you like your pumpkin to look like. Just remember that if your triangles are very small, that it might take you a little bit longer to glue. Now we're going to paint glue on top of our black pumpkin with a paintbrush. And you want to get it a little bit smooth. We don't want it too goopy. And I did small sections at a time. You're going to glue your colored paper to your pumpkin, and notice that I have left a little bit of space in between my paper so that it looks like an actual mosaic. It's kind of like a puzzle that you have made yourself. Fitting all of the pieces in there. Oof, I'm tired. Last but not least, we need to give our pumpkin a face. So I have glued with some scrap paper his eye or her eyes. So I did white circles for eyes, and I did a half circle for the mouth, and then I just used the back of my triangle pieces for some really fun teeth, and then 2 tiny little black circles for eyes. And then I colored my stem green, added a little bit of highlight with yellow and brown. Ta-da!